are doing good. In today's concept time, we are going to learn about bird life sanctuary, children. Bird life sanctuary is different from animal life sanctuary. Yes, children, in the bird life sanctuary, the nature itself facilitates for the birds to live their lives. Most of the birds travel from thousands of kilometers in a particular season to the bird life sanctuary. Here, the birds lay the eggs. When the eggs hatch, the birds start to fly. Now, the birds return to their native place. This is called migration of birds. This is called migration of birds. Yes, the birds return to their place from where they have come from. Children, there are 15 bird life sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. Now we'll look at one of the bird life sanctuary. That is Verandangal Bird Life Sanctuary, children. Some of the birds in the Verandangal Bird Life Sanctuary are pond heron, sandpiper, grey pelican, spoonbill, grey heron. Yes, children, now we'll have a closer look at each one of the birds, children. Yes. Children, in the Verandangal Bird Sanctuary, we have the pond herons. The pond herons are also known as paddy bird, children. They always live in small group. They feed on fish and insects. Yes, children, see the pond heron. Children, in the Verandangal Bird Sanctuary, we have the pelican. Yes, the pelican has a long beak and a bag-like pouch in the throat, children. It is a large water bird. Yes, children, see the pelican. Children, in the Verandangal Bird Sanctuary, we have the grey heron. The grey heron are long-legged wading birds. They wait quietly at the edges of the pond or lake to catch the fishes, children. They live in small group. Children, this is the sandpiper. Sandpiper are mostly found in the riverbed. Yes, the sandpiper is a grayish-brown small bird with a sharp and long beak. They eat insects, small fishes and larvae. Children, moving on to the spoonbill. The tip of the long beak of the spoonbill is like a spoon, children. Yes, the spoonbill are long-legged birds wading in the shallow water or pond, children. Yes. Children, how was the Verandangal Bird Life Sanctuary, children? Was that interesting? Yes? Hope you have enjoyed the concept Bird Life Sanctuary, children. Thank you so much and bye-bye.